Hi girly pops! Guess who brought clothes from eBay? Let me tell you a little secret before we get started. I bought 5 things. I'm sorry, okay, I was gonna buy more, but I definitely spent at least 25 quid on shipping. So I wasn't gonna do that anymore. Also, it takes literally days for things to arrive and for things to end bidding, and also like I failed so many bids, and these items, one of them in particular, I hustled my ass off to get a hold of. So be appreciative of that, okay? Thank you. I don't know if my room transformation video is up, but if it is, here are my donkeys. I haven't got a name for them yet, so let me know what you think I should call them, because I feel like they do need names, preferably beginning with D. Definitely not David though. Wow, the alliteration in that sentence. Definitely not David though, because David is my brother.
Do you know what? This is really funny to me now, because after my whole room transformation video, I was watching it back and I realised they look like horses. I look like a freaking horse girl now. Why is this happening to me? And I can't change it. I do love donkeys, but now I just look like the biggest horse girl. That is so funny.
Anyway, let's crack on. Let's get started, and I will tell you what I think of eBay clothes. Numero uno. This is the first thing I bought. It's like a zip-up shirt sort of thing. Like it's a jacket, but it has no sleeves, so I don't freaking know. But it's got a really weird material. This is like felt almost, and then this is like almost swimming costume material. I kind of bought this because in summer I want to go to the beach and throw this over a bikini, I think, just to add that like boyish effect on something really feminine. So I think that'd be very, very cute. I also want to wear this as an outfit with like some baggy jeans and maybe a little crop top. I feel like it's really, really cute. It doesn't look it like this, but I feel like on it really fits my vibe, and I fuck with that. Hello from us. I want to scream that song, but my mum is working downstairs. Someone scream it for me, thanks. Thanks. L-Y-T-T-Y-L. Beep beep. Does anyone remember? Oh, beep 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 my BFF. Cause that DK was coming next, and I'll be LMHO with the rest, so T-T-Y. She is dyslexic. That was really rude for Disney to make her sing that. This was £7. Are you kidding me? I'm running out of storage. Give me a minute. I'm back. This was £7 plus £4.10 shipping. Now, if I saw this in a thrift store in Brighton, I would snatch it for £7. The thing that annoys me is the shipping. Like, why is it gonna be so fucking expensive? I could get PLT next day delivery for a year for £3 more expensive, but eco-friendly. So I got this. This is how it looks. Cute. Okay, the second thing I bought. It gives me very much Utah sort of vibes. I'm not sure how I'm going to wear this yet. I might crop it. I might just have it as like a little oversized t-shirt to sleep in. I might just have it as an oversized t-shirt. We'll see. But I bought it because I freaking love the colour of it. And I cannot find a top that has this style and this colour anywhere, because I can't go to Brighton where I normally buy this sort of stuff because of lockdown. Also, no, okay. Not going to go off on a rant. I'm not. No. This I like. It's cute. This is how it looks. It's very funky. I like this bulldog. Oh, wait, is it a bulldog? I think it's a bulldog. If not, that's quite embarrassing. But this is very cute. I feel like we should name him Chester. He just looks like a Chester. Oh, that top was £1.99 plus £3.29 shipping, by the way. So that is a total of £5.28. Once again, would be £2 in Brighton, but shipping. Okay, I have one more item of clothing and then 2 shoes, but I'm not going to show you the item of clothing because I hustled for this, so you're going to have to wait for it, okay? Be a little bit more patient. Unless you've already skipped to it, then kind of rude. I bought some more Jordans. I'll be surprised because I freaking love Jordans. These, I don't know what Jordans they are. I have searched high and low, searched Google, searched Yahoo, searched Bing, searched a Kosh. What's the one that's like plants trees? Basically, I lied. I haven't searched any of them. I searched Google a million times to find out what Jordans these are, and I don't have a freaking clue. I don't have a clue. If you could let me know down below, that would be absolutely fantastic. They are high tops though, and they are, well, they look like this. You can see. I just can't wait to wear these with like a super, well, any outfit really. They're black and grey, so they go with absolutely everything, but they're high top, and I love high tops so much, and I don't actually own a pair of high tops. My Jordans are mids. These shoes were £25, and that includes shipping. It was £20 plus plus £5.57 shipping. Kind of an odd number. But I did, oh, let me show you something. But I did buy this fat pack of laces from Amazon, just so I can switch things up. I think I want to add in some yellow laces. Like, there's like a mustardy colour in here. I feel like I want to add that in, and then in summer just wear like a oversized t-shirt dress with like a shit ton of accessories. Maybe a little messy pony, a little something else. I don't know. We'll find the vibe when it comes to it, because right now there is not a single thing in the sky. It is just white. Like me. But yeah, these are cute. These were very affordable, considering the closest Jordans I did find to this were £800 online. So now there were meant to be 6 things in this haul. I missed the thing I wanted to buy by 1 minute. 1 minute. I was going to go on eBay, make my highest bid, and get that freaking shirt, but no, I missed it. So now if I did want to buy that same shirt, when I would have got it for £11. £11, okay? £11 plus like £3 shipping. If I wanted to buy that shirt now, it would be the wrong size and £95. Basically, this is what I was going to buy, and it's really fucking cute. But now when I try and find one on eBay, they only have a kid's large or a men's small, and I'm not about to fuck with either of them. So that's really tragic, and I was angry about that. I still am angry about that, but I'm trying to live in a state of abundance, so everything happens for a reason. Maybe I just wasn't meant to have that shirt. Though I did go and buy this hoodie instead. This isn't from eBay, but it is from Amazon. The next pair of shoes are also another pair of Jordans. Once again, could not figure out which Jordans they are, but they look like bowling shoes. Like, I used to go bowling when I was younger, and swear to God, this is the exact design I had. These are mids, but once again, I was thinking of swapping out the laces for a red one, so it vibes with the inside. I have no vocabulary. I haven't been to school in about 3 months. Oh my God, I'm going back on Monday. I was about to say pray for me, but I choked instead. Pray for me. These are cute. Might change the laces, but also they're kind of fire. Like, they are kind of fire. I did wear them with the next thing I'm going to show you the other day for some Instagram photos. And these, oh my freaking God. These were moonpig.com. I was going to go to I was going to say confused.com. We can go with a card company instead. It's fine. These were the first things I bought on eBay. Guess how much they were? Like, I'll just give you a minute. Let me know. Guess how much they are. Still waiting. You know? Okay, these were £7.50 plus £3.20 delivery. So that is a total of £10.70 for a pair of Jordans. And once again, the closest pair I found to this online, because I have no freaking clue what they actually are, was about £400. So eBay is coming through. Everything I bought, though, I bought on auction. I did not go on the buy it now. Like, that's just a bunch of fake shit. I think. I haven't bought from it, so I don't know. But it's just sus. Like, for me, I'd rather buy from an actual shop than eBay in itself. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, these are cute. I have worn them. Very comfy. Very lovely. I'm a big fan. And finally, the thing I hustled my freaking ass off for. I went through about 4 of these. I'm gonna cry. I went through about 4 of these. There was an orange one, sold out, didn't get it. There was a green one, didn't get it. There was a black and white one, didn't get it. And then the 4th one, this one, I freaking got that. I freaking got it, and I'm so proud of myself, and it's my greatest achievement in life. There is no way I could have done an eBay haul. That sounds so weird. There is no way I could have gone shopping on eBay and not bought a vintage NASCAR jacket. Before we get into this, let me tell you, these are like £400 on Depop. Depop, that's still secondhand. Imagine it brand new. This was a total of £41. Bargain. Bargain, bargain, bargain. I nearly had it for 26, but then someone did bid like 1,000,000 times higher than me. So then I had to, you know. But we got it. We got her. Let me talk you through the quality of this. It is heavy. It's not real leather. It's like this coat material almost. Not denim, but it's like a coat material. It's like an in-between. That was the best description you will ever get from me. Like, ever. So subscribe for that content. The sleeves have like a little bit of insulation in them. It is thick, it is good quality. It also has that little fluffy thing at the bottom, you know, that some coats do. I love being a clothing expert. The fluffy thing at the bottom, brilliant, brilliant. Also, does anyone else do this? I always exaggerate my Britishness. Like, I say things like splendid, brilliant, ta-ta, crumpets, I feel like someone's listening to me right now. Anyway, the brands on this. I didn't even think about that when I was buying it, and then my mum told me to look at it. So I looked at the brands on it. We have Mr. Pepsi Max, 0 calories. Fun fact, my mum used to work for Pepsi. Well done, Julie. Hendrick Motorsports, Chevrolet. I only know that Chevrolet from Monopoly Empire. Great game. There's a ton of brands. And then on the back, the best part, it says, you ready? This is the best part. This is the best part. It says, text hunger to 50555 at Jeff Gordon Webb. Basically, that bit doesn't matter. But the text hunger, this jacket is doing good for the world. So not only is it eco-friendly, it's also promoting charities, which we need to do. So now that my 12-minute rant about this one jacket is over, I just want you to know how special this is to me. And it looks good with everything. It looks good with everything. I feel my absolute highest, most confident self in this jacket. If you've watched my How to Be a Bad Bitch video, add another tip. Buy a NASCAR jacket, because it does help. It does help. Anyway, I am sweating. I don't know why, because it is
8 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
It's 8 degrees and I'm literally...
You can expect clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 10 degrees and a low of 7 degrees.
Thanks, girly. I am sweating. This is probably the quickest video I've ever filmed. Mind you, once again, there were 5 items. If you enjoyed, great, lovely. Thank you for watching. Anywho, that's the end of this video. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Tell me that I don't look like a Boy Scout. Tell me that I don't look like I'm about to go make a campfire and roast some marshmallows.